Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a sticky header in Elementor in 2023. Elementor, of course, is a powerful page builder for WordPress that allows you to design and customize your website with ease. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to create a sticky header, ensuring that it remains fixed at the top of your page even when scrolling. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, of course, just ensure that you have Elementor installed and activated into your WordPress website. You can simply go to your WordPress dashboard and ensure that you have the plugin of Elementor. If you don't, you can simply go to the left bar of your WordPress dashboard, not this, of course, and you will find like add plugin, click on it, choose Elementor or look for Elementor, install it, and then you will have it. Once you have it, of course, go to pages, go to add a new page, choose Elementor, and you will find yourself here. And of course, make sure to go and get the Elementor Pro because without Elementor Pro, you will lack a lot of features. So as you can see, those are the plans that you have. Every one of them has its own features. You can simply go and compare that for your own. And once you are here, of course, and you would like to get a sticky header, so let's just go and get a header first of all. As an example, I'm just going to put on this header access as an example here. And of course, to make the header sticky, you can click on the section or widgets that represent the header in the Elementor settings panel and look for the advanced tab. Of course, you'll find it right here. So let me just go and put it in the center first of all. Then once you go to advanced, make sure to, let's just close this layout. Make sure to go to this motion and effects and normally if you have the Elementor Pro, you'll find an option, a sticky option. So make sure to enable it, the feature by toggling, sorry, the feature on, and you will have it. Of course, for you, you may even find like some additional options to configure how the sticky header will behave. You can of course choose whether the sticker effect starts immediately or after a specific scroll distance, or you can also set the sticky header to appear only on specific devices or screen sizes, like as you can see, if you want just on desktop, tablet, sports, or mobile. So you can go and choose whatever you want on that. And of course, to check everything is working correctly, you can always go to this preview changes and scroll down and see if your hidden is scrolling down with you. If it's not, that means you didn't do the good job. So you can always go back there and do your changes again. And once you're satisfied, you can simply hit the publish button and you will be good to go. So other than that, of course, you'll be able to do a lot of other stuff on Elementor, including like here, add in like as an example, if you want to add some intersection, you can simply drag it here into this section as an example. So let's just drag it. And as you can see, you'll be able to edit the layout of it. As you can see, we can edit the content width, the width of the layout, of course, the columns gap, height, vertical lines, overflow, HTML tag, and of course, even the structure of it. If you want to, we'll be able even to edit that. So of course, other than that, we'll be able to edit the style of it as an example. So we can change the background of it. We can give it like a normal background or a hover background. There's even the background overlay option, the border, the shape divider, and of course the typography also. So you can go and also to this advanced, and here you will be able to edit the margins, the paddings, depending on whatever you want, of course. And this Z index, CSS ID, CSS classes will just simply edit those margins for you. And of course, here there is this motion effect that you can edit, also responsive attributes and custom CSS. And of course, as you can see, those will require Pro also. So of course, you'll be able even to add some hidden. As an example, you can simply just drag it down in there, get your hidden here. As an example, I'm just going to type test. Here you can even go and even paste a link if you want like this hidden to be clickable. You can even edit the sides, HTML tag, alignment of it. So you can do basically whatever you want with it. You can even change the style of it, including color, typography, text stroke, text shadow, and the blend mode. And of course, here on the advanced option, you will be able to edit the layout of it, the motion effect, transform, background, border, mask, responsive attributes, and the custom CSS also. And of course, other than that, we have this image. So we can simply go and add our image by clicking here on image. We'll be able to upload some files from our PC as an example. So let me just go here as an example and upload this file. And as you can see, you'll be able to upload it, and we can even change the scale of this file or this image however we want. We can even align it to the light, rift, middle. We can even add some caption, a link as an example, and we can even go and edit the image of it, the image width as an example, the max width, if you want to, the height, and of course we'll be able even to change the object's fit. We would like to bit normal or hover. CSS filters will be able to apply some, and of course on this advanced we'll be able to edit all of those stuff. I don't have to go through them again. And of course we have here the text editor example. We'll be able to go and add some text if we want to, and edit the content of it, the style of it, and even here we have the advanced options. So the styles normally going to be the alignment, text color, typography, and text shadow as usual. Content here we can go and do whatever we want with this, as you can see here, and that's normally going to be it here. Of course you'll be able to add some videos as an example, so let me just go and drag it here. So if you click on this video, as you can see, you can link a video from YouTube. If you want to, you can link it from Vimeo or Dailymotion, or even self-hosted if you're gonna upload it from your PC as an example. So as an example, let's just go here and see we are going to upload something from YouTube. So simply you'll have to go and paste the link right here. Once you do so, the video will appear here and you will be able to play it whenever you want, even fix the play speed, the quality of it, and of course the volume and or anything else that you want to edit. So of course if you click on it, that will open it even on YouTube as an example, and you'll be able even to watch it on YouTube directly. So of course you can even use this navigator from here to go back and edit whatever you want if you want to. And of course, as you can see, the video will be able to even edit some options of it if you wanted to autoplay, if you wanted to be mute, if you wanted to loop, if you want to have some player control, or if you don't want people to have player control, the modus branding, privacy mode, and of course there's even the style. So here it's just gonna be the size of the video, as you can see. So if you put it like this, depending just on the size of the video, how it's gonna be. So you'll have to go and put it the size that you want. You can even go and add some CSS filters, and of course on this advanced button or option, you'll find the same advanced options. As you can see here, you'll be able to edit the margins, the padding, width, position, and a lot of other stuffs here. Other than that, of course, you'll be able to add some buttons. So buttons will work as an example. So as an example, you'll be able to edit text. So I'm just going to type here test again. And of course, you can paste here the link. And if someone click on this test right here, they will be taken to the link that you put here. And of course, you can even choose the alignment of it, the type of it as an example, and size, the icon. You can go and upload like some icon from yourself, the icon spacing, and of course, you'll be able to edit the style and a lot of other stuff. And then we have the divider, spacer, and those like kind of the same thing. So you can go and try them out. And of course we have even this Google Maps option. This option will let you, as an example, let me just go and add it here. You will be able to add like the location that you want in Google Maps. You can simply go and add the location here, and that's gonna be it. And of course the icon, simply you can go and add whatever icon you want, edit the style of it, and edit any advanced option that you want also, and you will normally be good to go. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you have successfully created like your sticky header in Elementor in 2023, especially if you have the Elementor Pro. And of course, remember to consider the overall design and layout of your website that's implementing like a sticky header. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. And I will see you in the next video.